Hi Jason, it's lovely to meet you. So we're at the Turbo Systems booth here. Tell us about Turbo Systems. What do you guys do?
We make machinery for the food industry, generally full automated systems. Our niche is volumetric depositing, sauce filling machines. For us, it's all about the weight accuracy. The customer saves money by making sure they get the right amount of product in the tray. We do full conveyor systems from start to finish, including tray nesting, conveyors, dry fill, drop machines as well. The sauce filling is the main part of it, but yeah, that's our general area of expertise.
It sounds incredible. You've got such a lovely booth here. Can see so many amazing machines. What machine, would you say is the highlight for today's event?
We've done one where we're showcasing the internals of the machine, which really shows what the machine does, which is a standard machine which we've been making for quite a lot of years. What we've done recently, we've just designed a new machine which is more for early startup businesses, something a little bit more affordable for them. If they're just getting into making products and they're still filling by hand, this machine will be ideal for them. It's more of a low price range, great for them to get started on that road to automation.
It sounds absolutely incredible. And obviously you're at Foodex. Why are events like this important?
I think not every company finds it easy to get out into known space. So this is great for the amount of people that come here, seeing your equipment for the first time possibly, and networking with other companies and meeting new customers as well.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much. It's lovely to meet you.